On today's how-to of the day, we're going to be replacing a vacuum pump on this VOLVO D5. I have already removed it, but I will film the one that's coming from the donor motor, how to remove it. It's not the hardest, not the easiest. Access of the camera is going to be tricky, but I'll do the best I can so that you can basically see. So it works off the camshaft. You've got this cooler line in the way, the wiring harness sort of in the way too. That I find the easiest way to deal with this cooler line is undo it over here, just like I have done. But in order to do that, you need to get rid of this air pipe here, that inlet manifold to the throttle body, and that's pretty much the size of it really, and lots of patience. Alright, so let's go do the other one. Right here, there's our donor pump. He has 3 bolts, 10mm bolts to bolt into the head. One's up here, one's down there, and one's down there somewhere. Then he's got that one holding that air duct. So that's really the 4 10mm that you've got to get rid of. But in order to get him out, you have to get rid of this water pipe from here and move this electrical cable out of the way, because there's just not enough room. In order to do that, you have to get rid of this inlet pipe. Anyway, we have to get him off. And maybe even this duct. Yeah, I think we're going to have to make our life easier. Righto, let's go. unfortunately the camera had stopped filming for some reason when I was removing the other pump, so most of the footage is lost, not all, most. So now I'm going to try and compensate for that on the install, so hopefully you get to see how it gets put back rather than removed, which is the same thing, I suppose. So what I've done there is I've put the easiest bolt in, just nipped it up to keep it where it should be. This camera has turned off again on its own. I don't understand what's going on anymore with it. Number 3, lucky last. Alright, let's try again. This camera kept on turning off because I was recording 4K. This is a Sony XV1 and they sell it to you by telling you that oh yeah, you can record in 4K, it's the best, it's this. But what they don't tell you is that you really can't, because the camera overheats and shuts down. It just turns off, it goes into standby, but you don't know why it's doing that. So unless you're an expert in cameras, you wouldn't know. There you go. Now I've learnt that that's the case, and I had to change it from 4K, and let's hope that doesn't turn off. that. Rubbish. There you go. Alright, that's all there is to it. Now, in there, I don't know if you can see it, can you see it? Yeah, in there is where the booster hose, the brake booster hose goes, and good way to test for suction is unplug and put your finger on it. And lucky for me, I had two different vehicles, one that was good and one that wasn't, and I could tell that the suction on the good one is a lot more than on the pump that was on this car. So I'm going to start this car now and see if the suction has improved. Okay, well that'll be it for today. That's our vacuum pump back in and the brakes are working great. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.